change is very difficult. We all know that. We all have experienced it. We all have tried to change something in our lives. For dyslexic adults to really change how they learn in a different way, the major part and the biggest hurdle is focus. To gain their focus and to remain focused for an extended period of time, to make it a habit to be present, to make it a habit to use the tools, to really center themselves, to be there, and to take the time daily to, even if it's only 15-20 minutes, to really apply themselves to the literacy and to the tools. Now, I've worked with hundreds and hundreds of dyslexic adults, and what is the hardest part for them is really to have the support afterwards. They have done numerous programs. They have tried. They have been motivated to change. They see how much it would impact their lives. Yet to have the support on a continuous basis to really make that shift from a challenged reader or a writer or speller to someone who it takes no time to write an email, who understands what they read the first time, to be able to focus on it for as long as they need. That takes that, it has to become ingrained in their daily life. So for the first time, I'm offering a course that is a support group, where they are with other individuals who are similarly struggling, and that they come once a week to share their successes, and every day until the next evening really use those tools and share how those tools have changed and impacted their life. So one by one, every week, they get deeper and deeper from focus to overcoming emotional challenges and hurdles, and to really get back to basics in literacy. Then we add the writing, spelling and reading later, because without the foundation it is useless to add literacy. It is just like putting a little bit of water on a hot stone. It just does not remain. And they have probably tried that. You have probably found yourself, this course and that course, and it all looks good in the beginning, but it does not stick. The words are there and the next day they're gone. And when you are dyslexic and you have a different approach, you need a different approach. You need a visual, a creative, tactile, hands-on approach. Sounding out is hard, and we are impacting it with a much more visual and much more tactile way to remember actually what we are spelling and reading, to comprehend reading with once, after reading once, not after rereading it 3 times. So if you are keen to find out more, it takes an assessment to find out if this is even the right approach for you. So contact me to find out. We have a chat and see if this is the right approach to slowly, over 10 weeks maybe you want to continue. It depends where you're at, how much you are able to apply it every week, every day, in between, how long you take. So you can decide how long you want to keep going, but it is ongoing support, and that's what makes the biggest difference. Imagine if someone, it's like AA, why is it so successful to overcome an addiction when you have a support group, and really difficult when you're by yourself? So if you are interested, contact me. It is every Monday night, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m, so that everybody can actually participate who is working. And it is very affordable. It is very easy to access from anywhere you are, because it's done via Zoom. So you don't worry if you're on holidays, you can still access Zoom most places. It doesn't matter if you are even at work, you could maybe have an hour between 7 and 8 where you really seriously apply what you have learned and how to share and improve and get the next step to fluent literacy. If that's something for you, contact me. So either phone 0402 686 Barbara Hoy, or you can email me, hoy.barbara1@gmail.com. I write it underneath as well.